Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to the updated Finassam Employee Login Guide for 2025. This new system is designed to make accessing your Finassam portal incredibly simple and secure. We know your time is valuable, so we've streamlined the entire process. In this video, we will walk you through everything, from getting prepared to successfully logging in, ensuring you can quickly get to your work with confidence and ease. Let's get started. Before you even type anything, let's quickly cover a few preparation steps. First, double-check that you have your unique employee ID and the latest password at hand. Next, make sure your device has a stable internet connection. This prevents any frustrating delays. Finally, we recommend using an updated, trusted web browser like Chrome or Firefox for optimal performance and security. A little preparation goes a long way towards a hassle-free start. Logging in is straightforward once you are prepared. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating directly to the official Finassam employee portal URL. You will then see the login page. Carefully enter your unique employee ID into the username field provided. Below that, input your secure password into its dedicated field. After confirming your details are accurate, simply click the Login button, and you should be granted access to your dashboard. Sometimes things don't go perfectly, but don't worry, most login issues are easy to fix. If you've forgotten your password, just click the Forgot Password link on the login page. It will guide you through resetting it. If you see an invalid ID error, carefully re-enter your employee ID, checking for any accidental typos. Finally, for persistent issues, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, then attempt to log in again. Congratulations, you're in. After a successful login, you will immediately land on your personalized Finassam employee dashboard, ready to access all your resources. Remember, keeping your account secure is paramount. Never share your password and always use strong, unique combinations. When you've finished your work, it is vital to securely log out, especially if you are using a shared or public computer, protecting your information for next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.